Hello everyone, myself Mani. In this video session, we are going to see the brief about of the habit tracking backend project. So let's get started. Let's get started this video. In this project, we are going to see the only habit tracker. What is meant by habit tracker? Let's see briefly about the habit tracking. The habit trackers of a human being, like in cooking, playing, coding, reading books. These are the habits of the human beings. But we are going to do daily or not. We are not we can't track our habits. So this this project is useful for the done or not. We can store the info of the in the backend project. So in this so in this project, uh, I've taken this. I've taken the the combination of the front end and back end, totally full stack development of this project. That is, we are creating in this project. But before going to create a server, to this we are going to give an information and keywords, and you depositions to this project. But the depositions are MongoDB, Express, Node.js, uh, body passes, Node.SAS middleware, EJS file for the HTML programming, EJS, NodeMon, MongoDB. These are the dispositions are these are the dispositions that we are going to use in this project. Firstly, we are going to give the info like uh, info information to the project, adding a GitHub links, adding the users depositions like an express servers, installing an express servers like that we are giving in the package JSON package JSON. After that, we are going to create a server with a port. We create by creating an app port and running a server with a port. After that, we are going to give an schema, data schema. Out we are going to do in this project. I have taken a schema of any user type, habit habit name, and habit done on this project or not. Habit is done or not. There are three types of that is habit tracking. Habit tracker. To habit tracker means it is done or not markable. This is an habit tracker. This is a schema of an habit tracker. We are going to use the schema to this project to store the whether the habit is done or not. To do this project, we are going to create six files like assets, views, routes, controllers, models, and views. These are the files. In the assets, we are going to store files like styling files like CSS files and JavaScript files, and we are going to use the store the images what we have implemented in the project. In the routes, we are go we in the routes file we are going to write the code of an route to the total project of the project. In the views we are going to store the EJS files, which means of an HTML files, the structure of the HTML file. We are going to use the we are going to store the views in file. In the controllers types, as previously I have said, in the routes we are going to control the we are going to write the code of and controlling, and in the model section we are going to store the schema of the project. In the these are the some of the projects as we seen as we stored in this project. And totally we have finally we have get the project schema, like getting in at the at the left top we are going to see an home logo at the middle, habit tracking. At the dawn of the at the dawn of the habit tracking heading, we are going to see the enter the habit tracking, and we are going to add plus symbol means here plus symbol means we are going to add the habit tracking. At the downwards, we are going it after entering the and clicking the plus, we are going to see the habit name, like habit name. When we are going to click the habit name, it is going to open a new page to get to store the information whether it is done or not markable with the colors of gray color, green color, and red color. This is the overview of an and brief about this of the habit tracker project. Thank you.